Okay, what was it? Tupac, All Eyes on Me. So I wanted to continue reviewing a little bit. It's not really a review of that new engraving software. So the last we left off, I talked about how it was kind of the picture was really bad for the dog. I don't have the original. I'm not going to show you the original. So anyway, this morning I was going through my email, and you get those next door messages, or stuff that's happening on next door. So a woman lost her son yesterday. And I'm like, oh man, okay. What am I going to do? Remember, I don't sell anything. So I decided to make something. So what I ended up doing is I went like, well, the pictures she put on Nextdoor were not that great, first of all. I used to be able to download from Nextdoor. Now they've implemented something I can't download, or I couldn't figure it out, didn't care, whatever. So anywho, I just screen capped it. Did a screen capture. Then, the output was like crap. And then I went like, wait a minute. I got AI, baby. So I went in and I AIified it. And I took that picture and I made it beautiful. First of all, I upscaled it. And then I had several different AIs through Higgsville, figure out which one was the best one. Or at least I just looked at them. I did 4 packs and went through Grok and Nano Banana and everything. Then I went, okay, this one is perfect, and they didn't change anything. You know how AI is. So then I ran it through the software, and the results are just absolutely amazing. About the only thing I can say negatively is on my end, and I'm going to continue to talk about that for a minute. So this is what the output looked like. Now, if you notice, it's a little crystallized. I used the settings that were in there that were just the base settings, and I think they may have set the base settings, but I can tell already there's like some internal cracking because it was too much power. So I still have to, 1, learn the software, and 2, figure out the settings that are needed. But I don't know if you can see it here, but if you're live, this is absolutely gorgeous. And I'm going to head over and give it to her in a few moments. Got to shower, maybe shave. I don't know. Maybe I'll shave. So anyway, there it is. I can even see the little internal fissures. But, it did a good job. I'm going to link it down below. You guys really need to check this out, because I think it really is a great cockpit rival. If I just changed the power a little bit on this would have come out better. And then there's some things I probably could have done on that end. But, dang, you could... I really don't know if you see it. But let me see if I can try to do this. Okay, I think that did a little something. Just look at it. It's beautiful. Even with my mistakes. So then, a few days ago, earlier this week, probably about Tuesday, someone had reached out to me. And it was like, hey, can you whip up something? Because I whip up stuff, like I said, I don't sell anything. For my friend who lost her dog. Okay, no, I did some stuff. And then after doing this, I'm like, and I talked about it the other day, how I tried to do it in the software and it came out like, well, it was a combination of, just the picture was crap, along with, the settings. We really got to dial the new settings in for this software. So anywho, I'm like, I did get something that was decent, but I was going to give it to her. Then after doing this, I'm like, let me see what I can do. So I took one of the pictures she sent me to do something with, and I did something. First of all, I upscaled it because I don't know where she got it from, Facebook, whatever. And then I went into Higgsville and did the same thing, did the different 4 packs from the different AIs, and to pick the one, because some of them, even if you tell the AI not to change anything, it changes stuff. So anywho, now I still made some mistakes. The mistakes I made on this one is I said, well, because this one got burned, if you want to call it that, I'm going to go a little lighter on it. So I'm going to dial back the factory settings. I probably should not have. This still looks just beautiful. I want you to look at it. See, look at that. Look how that looks. It's beautiful. Unbelievable. This is ready for prime time, in my opinion. And I know they're still working on stuff. I'm happy. I think she'll be happy. It would have been a little bit better if I'd gone a little bit dark, but if you just look at it, if you put it on a light, because I bought a bunch of light bases, oh man, it looks so good. That one looks great too. That one looks great. This one looks good too. If I just left it at factory settings, it would have actually probably been absolutely perfect. And then just to round it out, I took the Eufy Make E1. So these are the boxes. Anybody remembers, you know, that company that half screwed me over, but then they finally did a little something right, even though for the other sizes they didn't send me anything. It's like they were looking all over the place. Anyway, I then took the dog. I put him on the box. So I can not mix it up with this one, because I'm delivering this tonight. We're having a soiree. We're having a party tonight. And I just wanted to bring this out along with some other stuff I did, but that's mainly Eufy Make stuff. And this is about this inner engraving. So I made a little box. I should have done better with orientation, but there we go with the Eufy Make. Put his name on it. And she is going to get this to give to her friend. And I'm going to make more people jealous again. So like in my office, I'll show them the stuff I'm doing. They'll be like, can you do that for me? I'm like, no. I'm cruel that way. But I do it for people who are in need. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm going to put the software down below. You really need to try it. I do know the price now. It's $2.99. I think it's per computer. So I don't know if you had like multiple computers, if you got to pay for it, or, you know, you have to download it off, like some software, you have to unload it off of one computer and then you can put it on another. I don't know how they're going to do that, but it's $2.99 lifetime. So if you were to do like 100 on, I mean, they give the examples. If you do 100 on Cockpit, including the $500, they show, you know, it's $2.99, and then you would have paid like $1,500. At $250, you'd pay like $3,500, and they just kept going, showing that you're still just paying the $2.99. And if I put this head to head against some other software I had tested, I did do the video on it, I believe. I may not have. That one was really coming along really great. I've got to find out. But, you know, I hope they keep this price, because this is really worth it. If you were to pay $2.99 for this, and if you got the Eufy Make 2, or for those of you who are going to get crazy like me, I'm going to get crazy. And even though I just got the Eufy Make after all this dang time, I am going to get the new one from Xtool, because it's in the Xtool universe. Although the only fear that I do have is they're moving so fast in their universe, like they haven't perfected the inner engraving. They've gotten good. They've gotten good. They haven't perfected it yet. They're moving very fast. But I would love to have this into the, you know, the Xtool universe, so I can do the cut and print thing, because it's all one integrated system. Because I have, right now that I'm running, I got more than that, but what I'm running right now is the P3, F2 Ultra UV, F2 Ultra. I still have the M1, but I'm not going to really worry about it anymore. I may even take it off out of the laser room now, because the only reason I kept it was not for the laser, because it really has a small laser bed in my opinion, and who really needs diode in this day and age? Plus I have diode on the F2 Ultra. That's actually more powerful because it's 40 watt. And on the in the F2 Ultra UV, I actually do everything on it now. I don't even need the F2 Ultra. But the one thing I kept it for, to be honest, you can do with Eufy Make, because you know you can do the drawing and everything, and you can do the like the cutting. It was to keep it for the drawing and the cutting, and how you can put in the foil, because like I'll make a notebook, not notebook, what do you call it? No, the books, and then instead of lasering it, I'll foil it. But I don't have to do that anymore, because I can do that once my stuff arrives with everything for the Eufy Make. Anyway, this was supposed to be about these guys. I'm done. I don't know what I'm going to do next for review. I am running low on these now, because I am now, I think I've gone through, let's see, 1, 2, 3, I've gone through 5 or 6. So I still got like 15 left. And I got like I said, a whole bunch coming. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you're doing the inner engraving, and I don't know if Xtool is ever going to get that good because they can't dedicate everything to one piece of software like they're doing now. I really would consider these people, out of transparency, they did give me the software. I want to make sure that you know that, but I'm not doing this because I'm shilling. I'm doing this because I'm actually impressed. It is pretty close to what Cockpit does for a fraction of the price. And just communicating with them this week, they are planning some big stuff. Okay? See you guys later.